Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell right here on Hantec Markets. If you want to buy, the first thing that we need to decide is go right here to symbol and search for a symbol that you want to trade. So let's do right now Bitcoin to US dollars. We search right here for BTC and click right here on Bitcoin versus US dollars. Then right here you will find here the chart, and if you want to buy something or sell something, we always click right here on new order. Then you will see right here our order panel, and then first of all we can decide right here what we want to do. So you can create a market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, or a buy stop limit or a sell stop limit. I want to do right here a market execution because that is a directly order. So I click right now on this, and then we can decide right here with which volume we want to step in. So let's do a 0.01 Bitcoin. That is fine for now. And then we go right here to stop loss. Then right here you can click on stop loss if you want to add a stop loss or take profit. And then once you did that, we click right here on buy market. And now we successfully bought right here some Bitcoin. Now we can also do exactly the same right here, but then for a sell position. So fill in right here the volume, a stop loss or take profit, and then click right here on sell by market. And then you can see right here that we created ourselves a nice sell position. So this is how you can buy and sell right here on Hantec Markets. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.